I am Dr. Prashant Tupasni, working as senior interventional cardiologist in Metro Hospitals and Heart Institute, Noida since April 1997. Now, today, on the occasion of World Heart Day, I will be telling you something about the role of diet in strengthening the health of heart. Heart diseases, as you all know, are one of the most common lifestyle diseases. Some of the prominent factors responsible for increased incidence of heart disease includes sedentary lifestyle, stress, excessive salt intake, junk food, smoking, and excessive alcohol intake. Nowadays, a large number of safe and effective medicines are available to treat hypertension and other heart diseases, while weight control and regular exercises are critical for keeping your heart in shape. The food you eat can matter just as much. Your overall dietary pattern is more important than specific foods. Eating more fiber, fruits, and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are good sources of vitamins and minerals, besides being low in calories and rich in dietary fiber. Vegetables and fruits, as you all know, like other plants or plant-based foods, contain substances that may prevent heart disease. Eating more fruits and vegetables may help you cut back on higher calorie foods such as meat, cheese, and snack foods. Choose fresh or frozen vegetables and fruits which are low sodium and canned vegetables or canned fruit juice packed in water. Have a whole grain food. Whole grains are good sources of fiber and other nutrients that may play a role in regulating blood pressure and heart health. You can increase the amount of whole grains in a heart healthy diet by making simple substitutions for refined grain products. Try new whole grains such as brown rice or barley. Always reduce your salt intake. Eating too much salt can increase blood pressure. Limiting salt is an important part of a heart healthy diet. Research recommends that healthy adults should have no more than a teaspoonful of salt. Most adults usually require no more than 1.5 gram sodium in a day. Reducing the amount of table salt or the salt used in cooking can be a good first step. In fact, much of the salt you eat comes from canned or processed foods. Use spices for flavor. Try fresh herbs like basil, thyme, or chives. Substitute reduced sodium versions or salt substitute. Choose your condiments and packaged foods carefully, looking for foods labeled as sodium-free, low sodium, or unsalted. Also, it is important to watch on your fat intake. There is a lot of myths and misconception in the population as to what fat one should eat and what one should avoid. I would suggest try replacing unhealthy fats with good fats rather than avoiding fat in your diet. Cut out artificial trans fat. This is the most important part, as well as raising your LDL or bad cholesterol level, which can increase your risk for heart attack and stroke. Artificial trans fat also lowers your levels of LDL or good cholesterol, which can put you at an increased cardiovascular risk. It is worth checking labels and avoiding anything with partially hydrogenated oil in the ingredient, even if it claims to be trans fat free. Limit saturated fat is again a very important step. Saturated fats are mainly found in tropical oils, dairy, and red meat, and should be limited to not more than 10% of your daily calorie intake. Enjoy dairy in moderation and vary the protein sources in your diet. Eat more healthy fats. Eating foods rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fat can improve blood cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Eat omega-3 fatty acids every day from fatty fish such as salmon or from flaxseed, broccoli, spinach, or walnuts. Other sources of healthy fats include olive oil, avocados, nuts, and nut butters. Again, last important point is don't replace fat with sugar or refined carbs. Our body does not need any added sugar as it gets all the needs, all the sugar that you need from the food in which sugar is naturally present. Sugary food and refined carbs can add up to a lot of empty calories. Instead of sugary soft drinks, white bread, pasta, and processed foods like pizza opt for whole unrefined whole grains like whole meat or multigrain bread, brown rice, barley, grain cereal, oatmeal, and non-starchy vegetables. Focus on a higher fiber diet. A diet high in fiber can lower bad cholesterol and provide nutrients that help protect against heart disease. As an added bonus, it may also help you to lose weight. Fiber also moves fat through your digestive system quicker, so less of it is absorbed. And when you fill up on fiber, you will have more energy for exercising. Insoluble fiber is found in whole grains, wheat cereals, and vegetables such as carrots, celery, and tomatoes. While soluble fiber sources include barley, oatmeal, beans, nuts, and fruits such as apple, berries, citrus fruits, and pears. Lastly, the bottom line is diet plays crucial role not only in developing but also in controlling the progression of heart disease. I advise all patients to adopt a healthy lifestyle, which plays an important role in not only treating heart complications but also in preventing it. Thank you.